Hello friends, I am Trilochan. Welcome back. Let's continue with Python series. In the previous tutorial, we have discussed different data types in Python. In this tutorial, we will discuss more about the different numbers used in Python and how to convert from one data type to other. Numbers in Python supports integers, floating point numbers and complex numbers. They are defined as int, float and complex classes in Python. Integers and floating points are separated by the presence of or absence of a decimal point. Like if you take an example here, x equals to 5 is an integer number, and if I add 0.0 here, it will be floating point number. So let's run this example. So x equals to 5, and we can use the type function here to know the variable class or a variable belongs to. Okay, so here let's run this one. So first one, x equals to 5, it means the integer type it is, right? So if I change it to 5.0, it will be different, it will be the floating point numbers. Let's run this again. Yes, this is float, so this is a floating point number. So let's talk about the complex number. Complex numbers are written in the form of x plus y, j. So let's give an example here. So suppose y equals to 5 plus 9j. Okay, so this is a complex number. So let's print the type of this one. So type of y, here it is. So let's run this one. So it will be complex. Yes, this is complex number. So first part is real and second one is imaginary part of the particular complex number. Okay, so like the type functions, we have another function is instance. So is instance function to check if it belongs to a particular class or not. So let's give you one example here for is instance. So print is instance of y where it is complex or not. Here it is. So let's print this one. Here it is. This is true. It means the y is a complex number. Okay. While integer can be of any length, a floating point number is accurate only up to 15 decimal places. The 16th place is inaccurate. We have already discussed in the previous tutorial. Okay. The number we deal with every day are of the decimal, like base 10 number system, but the computer programmers, generally embedded programmers, need to work with binary base 2, hexadecimal base 16 and octal base 8 number system. In Python, we can also represent these numbers by appropriately placing a prefix before that number. Like, so let's see the example here. So let's print 0b for binary, and we can print the binary number value. Suppose 11111010. Okay, guess what is the number here? So let's print this. Yes, this is the 58. Similarly, we can place 0o for octal number. Suppose 56. Okay, so for octal number, let's print this. What is the value? This is 46. Similarly, we can print the hexadecimal with 0x, capital X or small x. So we can print the value FB. So here, so let's guess the value for FB will be, I think, 251. So let's print it. Yes, this is 251. Let's discuss how to convert from one data type to other. So we can convert one type of number into another. This is also known as coercions. Operation like addition, subtraction squares integer to float implicitly. It means automatically. If one of the operands is float, then it will be float number. Like let's see this, 2 plus 3.3. So here if you run this one, it will be 5.3. That means it automatically changes to the float number. So this process is called implicitly type conversion. Okay, so conversion, like type conversion will be like two types. One is implicit, another is explicit. Okay, in explicit, like we can use like built-in functions like int, float and complex to convert between type explicitly. Okay, so let's give you another example here. So here we can add int to this addition. Okay, here it will be, the result will be the integer, that means only 5. Okay, so similarly if you want to change it to float one integer number, you can change by 5. It will be, here you can put float. Okay, so this is how you can change the float number. Sorry, this is already float. Yeah, here it is. Now you can check. Yes, 5.0. So similarly you can change it to one string number to integer. Let me give you one example here. Here you can put string. Here 2 is string, but we want to change it to the integer, right? So it will be the like, if you run this, and this is the integer. If you check this type of this integer, it will be the integer number. Similarly, let's try with one complex number. Print complex 3 plus 2j. So it will be, let's put it in single quote, so it's a string and it will convert to the complex number. So okay, so here let's comment it and print this one. Here it is. So here string is converted to complex number. Okay, so this is all about numbers in Python. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.